Hello, welcome to my channel. This crochet tutorial is the part 2 of how to crochet summer hat for beginners. In the last video, we made this super easy crochet summer hat. In this one, we're gonna make the flower decoration for the hat together. This flower has 2 pieces. We're gonna start from the center one first. So grab my yarn. I'm still using this 5mm crochet hook, by the way. We're going to start with a magic loop. Into this loop, make 7 single crochets. Insert a hook into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. That's 1 single crochet. We're going to go ahead and make 6 more. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1. Into the very same stitch, make a single crochet. Then chain 2. In the next single crochet, work 8 single crochet and chain 2 again. Repeat this step, 1 single crochet into the next single crochet and chain 2. So you're gonna do this all the way around. Finish the last single crochet and chain 2. Slip stitch in the first single crochet of this row. Then slip stitch directly into the next space. Chain up 6. Slip stitch back into the same space. Then slip stitch into the next space. Chain up 6 again. Slip stitch back into the same space again and repeat this step. Finish your last chain 6, slip stitch back, slip stitch into the next space and fasten off. That's the small piece done. We're going to start the big one in the same way. 7 single crochets into the magic loop, slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and for the next row, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and repeat. Finish this row, slip stitch back into the first single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the first single crochet, chain 3, then work 1 single crochet into the next single crochet again, chain 3, and repeat. Come back, slip stitch back into the first single crochet, slip stitch into the next space, chain up 4 as our first treble crochet. Go ahead and chain 5 more into the same space. We're gonna work 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert hook into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that again. Chain 5 again, one treble crochet into the same space, chain 5, one treble crochet again, so that's 4 treble crochets in one space. Next, chain 5. We're going to do the same into the next space. So that's 1 treble crochet into that space, chain 5, the second treble crochet, chain 5, the third one, chain 5, and the last one. We've put 4 treble crochets into that one space again, then chain 5 and repeat this pattern. Finish the 4 treble crochets in the last space, chain 5, slip stitch into the 4th stitch, and fasten off. That's the second piece done. Now we just need to join these 2 pieces together and sew it on the hat. I actually sewed it on this pin here, then I pinned it on the hat so I can take it off whenever I want. But if you're sure you're gonna keep it on all the time, you can just sew it directly onto the hat. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.